Hello everyone, my name is Aidu, a coach in game development class, and this presentation we will take a look at game development course. So we will take a general idea about the course of game development class. This class started 3 years ago with Mohamed, and for the academic year 2022-2023, this course has 3 versions. So in this class, the Mentees between 15 and 17 years old will have the opportunity to have fun and to learn Visual Studio Code as integrated developer environment with C# as programming language, also Blender for making 3D models and Unity for making games. After all of this hard work, the Mentees will have 2 options, two opportunities to shine. One evaluation will be the mid-year evaluation. We will divide the Mentees into teams to work on 2D games, and for the final year evaluation, the Mentees will work on 3D games. So we take a look, general idea about the class. Now let's ask the question: what is game development in general? Well, game development, first of all, it's an art of creating and developing an interactive environment that convey purpose or goal. And also this subject is a mix between some subject in STEM like programming, design, and sound processing. Of course, this class has advantages. For the technique, the Mentees will learn creative aspect concerning creating 3D models or creating video art. And for the second technical benefits is developing the problem-solving skills. For the communication, they will learn English through technology, in our case, game development, and use this English to discuss ideas. Finally, after all of this, let's meet our coach. My name is Ayub. I've been interested in game development for the past 3 years. I'm a member of First Club for 6 years now, and I'm 17 years old. If you want to join us, we are here to help you. Welcome to game development class.